So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit on Exness using your bank card. So using your bank account or your bank card in this case to deposit on Exness is quite simple. You just need to go to the deposit section, but first off you will need to fill in your account details to confirm your email address, then phone number. So there needs to be a two-step verification and add profile information after that. Once that's complete, you can then focus on all the other features of Exness, which could be deposit. So let's get to deposit. So once you're there, you can see a lot of different ways to deposit. So you can see between your accounts, so you can transfer it. You can also see BNB, Bitcoin, NetTeller. So you can choose that one as well. So let's get back to it, and you can see on the right side as well bank card, Ethereum, Skrill, Tether, some different USD coins maybe, and you can click on bank card. So processing time is instant to 30 minutes, fee is 0%, that's quite great, and you can see limits $10 to $10,000. So if you click on this, you can see deposit, you can see your payment method, and after that you can just deposit it using your bank card. But first off, you will need to verify your profile as I mentioned before. So once your profile is verified, your deposit will be done. So just make sure that that step isn't skipped, so you can do it like that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.